Hi friends, my name is Nandita. I am from Andhra Pradesh.
Good morning dear students. Today we are going to discuss about acids, bases and salts from chapter 2, class 10 CBSE syllabus. Children, you have learnt in your previous classes that the sour and bitter taste of food are due to acids and bases respectively present in them. If someone in the family is suffering from a problem of acidity after overeating, which of the following would you suggest as a remedy? Lemon juice, vinegar or baking soda solution. Why everything tastes so differently? Why lemon is tangy and mango is sweet? This is because of different percentages of acids, bases and salts in their chemical composition. Children, we all have heard that the term acids, bases and salts and often used them in our daily life, complained about the acidity nature of food components. Used soap and ammonia for cleaning or heard about salt being created from seawater. Gaining a through understanding of acids, bases and salts, class 10 is essential for understanding basic chemistry and acids, bases and salts are the main chemical compounds that exist in our surrounding. Acids, bases and salts are components that occur naturally and can also be created artificially. They are found in various substances including our food. Vinegar or acetic acid is used as a food preservatives. Citric fruits have citric acid and etc. Children, other than food, they have also a wide varieties of uses such as in various industries, manufacturing plants, processing plants, laboratories and others. In this article, we will learn about acids, bases and salts and their properties, types, uses and others in detail. Children, in this video, we'll learn about the definition, characteristics and properties of acids, bases and salts. Let's learn how this can be characterized, understanding the concept of Arrhenius and Bronsted, Lowry and Lewis, etc. Children, let us discuss the definition of acids, bases and salts. Earlier, acids, bases and salts were characterized by the experimental testing of their aqueous solutions. An acid is defined as a substance whose water solution tastes sour, turns blue, litmus red and neutralizes bases. A substance is called base if its aqueous solution tastes bitter and turns red, litmus blue or neutralizes acids. Salt is a neutral substance whose aqueous solution does not affect litmus. According to Faraday, acid, bases and solutions are termed as electrolyte. Further, Liebig proposed that the acids are compounds which can hydrogen that can be replaced by metals. Children, let us discuss in detail about acids. Acids are those what when dissolved in water given hydrogen ions, or we can write hydronium ion H3O+. This hydronium ion is formed due to the combination of hydrogen ion produced by acid with water molecule. Acidity is a characteristic property of acids. Acidic substances are usually very sour. In fact, the word acid and acidity are derived from Latin word aciduous, which means sour. If you dip a blue litmus paper into an acid, it will turn red, while a red litmus paper will not change color. Acids also liberate dihydrogen when they react with some metals. Children, let us discuss in detail what are acids. Acids are a type of chemical substance that is characterized by their ability to donate hydrogen ions when dissolved in water. Acids can be found naturally in many foods and beverages including citrus, fruits, vinegar and fermented products, and they also used in various industrial processes. Here are some key points about acids. Children, acids can be classified into two categories: organic acids, which derived from living organisms, and inorganic acids, which are derived from non living sources. Acids have a sour taste and can cause a tingling or burning sensation on the tongue or skin. The strength of an acid is determined by its pH value, which ranges from 0 to 14. Acid with a pH less than 7 are considered to be acidic, while those with a pH greater than 7 are basic or alkaline. Children, acids can be react with bases to form salts and water in a process called neutralization. Acids are used in a variety of industrial applications such as the production of fertilizers, dyes, and pharmaceuticals. Some acids can be harmful or corrosive to living tissue such as hydrochloric acid, which is found in the stomach and it is necessary for digestion, but can cause severe burns if it comes into contact with the skin. Acids also used in various chemical reactions such as in the production of polymers and plastics as well as in the cleaning and sterilization of medical equipment. Children, here are some of the examples. Acids are hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, phosphoric acid and carbonic acid. Children, let us discuss the classification of acids. We have a different classification based on their different factors. So let us sum up and make ourselves familiar with it. Depending on the source from which they are obtained, they are derived into organic acids and inorganic acids. Organic acids are obtained from plants and animals, or where we can say they are present in organic matter. Inorganic acids, these are those that are obtained from minerals present in the earth. These are quite reactive in nature. We have citric acid and sulfuric acids are example for these inorganic acids. Children, now let us discuss the physical properties of acids. Acids are chemical substances that they have unique physical and chemical properties. Here are some of the physical properties of acids. Acids have a sour taste. Most acids have a distinctly sour taste, such as lemon juice and vinegar. Acids change the color of indicators. Acids change the color of indicators such as litmus paper, which turns red in the presence of an acid. Acids are corrosive. Many acids are corrosive and can use damage to living tissues or corrode metal and other materials. Acids have a low pH. pH scale measures the acidity of alkalinity of a solution, which a pH of 7 being neutral and low pH values indicating greater acidity. Acids typically have a pH of less than 7. Acids react with bases to form salts and water. When an acid reacts with a base, the substance neutralize each other, form a salt and water. Acids have a higher boiling point than water. Yes, acids generally have a higher boiling point than water, which means that they are require more energy to boil than water. Acids are good conductors of electricity. In a solution, acids can conduct electricity because they contain charged particles known as ions. Children, acid is a compound which feeds hydrogen ion when dissolves in water, and acid is a sour to taste and it is a corrosive in nature. The pH of acids is less than 7. All the acids are react with metals to release hydrogen gas. Example, zinc metals react with hydrochloric acid to form zinc chloride and hydrogen gas. When acids react with limestone, it produces carbon dioxide. Example, HCl reacts with limestone to produce carbonic acid and calcium chloride. Acids are classified into organic and inorganic acid. The best examples of organic acid is acetic acid, and inorganic acids are those which are produced from minerals, for example sulfuric acid, hydrochloric acid. Acids usually convert blue litmus paper to red litmus papers. Acids have a tendency to quickly corrode than the metal surfaces. Children, on the basis of number of hydrogen ions, acids can be classified as monoprotic acid. They can be produced one molecule of hydrogen H plus ions per one molecule of acid HCl. Next one is diprotic acid. They can produce 2 moles of H plus ions where 1 mole of acid H2SO4H. Triprotic acid. They produce 3 moles of H ions where 1 mole of acid on the basis of strengths to donate hydrogen ions. Based on this, acids can be classified as strong acids. These acids get completely 100% ionized in the aqueous solution. Thus, at equilibrium, the concentration of acid molecules becomes very less and concentrated of hydrogen ions reaches to maximum. For example, HCl, HNO3 and HClO4. Weak acids. Weak acids are only partially ionized in solution at equilibrium state. At equilibrium state, molecules of acid are present in a considerable amount and the concentration of hydrogen ions is less. For example, HFCH3COOH. Children, let us discuss the chemical properties of acid. Acid has various chemical properties. Few of the following chemical properties of acid include reaction of acids with metal. When an acid reacts with a metal, it produces hydrogen gas and the corresponding salt. Already we discussed that. When hydrochloric acid combines with zinc metal, it produces hydrogen gas and zinc chloride. Then reaction of acids with metal carbonate. When acids react with metal carbonates, they produce carbon dioxide gas and salts as well as waters. Example, the hydrochloric acid combines with sodium carbonate. It produces carbon dioxide gas, sodium chloride and water. Reaction of acid with hydrogen carbonates or bicarbonates. When acids react with metal hydrogen carbonates, they produce carbon dioxide gas, salt and water. Example, sulfuric acid gives sodium sulfate, carbon dioxide gas and water when it reacts with sodium bicarbonate. Children, now let us discuss about types of acids. Acids are classified into different categories. The classification of acid is discussed below in the article. On this basis of occurrence, acids are subdivided into two categories. One is natural acid, second one is mineral acid. Natural acid. Natural acids, often known as organic acids, there are acids derived from natural sources. For example, methanoic acid, acetic acid, oxalic acid, etc. Now let us discuss about mineral acids. Mineral acids are bases that are created from minerals. Inorganic acids, man-made acids and synthetic acids are the examples of mineral acids. And some of the examples like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid, carbonic acid, phosphoric acid, etc. Children, on the basis of concentration, even acids can be categorized too. We discussed that strong and weak. Strong acid is an acidic that is totally ionized in water and produces H+, for example, hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Weak acids. A weak acid is partially ionized in water, created a tiny amount of hydrogen ions H+, for example, acetic acid, carbonic acid, etc. Children, now let us discuss the uses of acids. Acids have various uses. Some of the important uses of acids are here below. Hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is used in different industries for heating applications. This acid is applied to remove deposits from the inside of the boiler. It is also used to clean silver waves and sinks. Sulfuric acid. Sulfuric acid is used to manufacture paints, dyes, drugs and fertilizers. In batteries, sulfuric acid is commonly utilized. This acid is typically found in the batteries used to start vehicles' motors. Sulfuric acid and nitric acid is used in the industrial production of dyes, explosives, paints and fertilizers. Nitric acid. Goldsmiths use nitric acids to clean gold and silver ornaments. Nitric acid is also used for manufacturing fertilizers. Orange and lemon juice contain a significant amount of citric acid. It can also be used for the food preservations. Acetic acid. Acetic acid can be used as a cleaning agent to clean windows, utensils, floor, etc. Acetic acid is an effective ingredient to enhance the flavor of food items. Acetic acid helps in the removal of stains from woodwork and carpets. Vinegar is a diluted solution of acetic acid that has a variety of uses in the home. It is mostly utilized in the food industry as a preservative. Acetic acid is used as a preservative in packaged foods such as sauce, ketchups, pickles, etc. Many soft drinks contain phosphoric acid as the main ingredient. Thank you.